In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect third-party marketing apps to your Wix website. Let's delve into not one, but two different methods for achieving this task. For our first method, you're going to start your adventure on the dashboard of your Wix site. Once you're on the dashboard, your first destination can be found by hunting through your site settings. To do this, look for a button or option titled Settings. Go ahead and give it a click. Next, you're going to want to navigate your way towards the Advanced section. This can typically be found by scrolling down on the Settings page. Once you spot the Advanced section, you'll note an option titled Marketing Integrations. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you have the task of finding the specific app you want to integrate with your Wix site. This might be Google Tag or Facebook Pixel. Regardless of the app, once you've spotted it on the list, click on the button, which will read Connect. The final stage within this first method is all about linking your account. You'll be guided through this process with on-screen instructions. This might involve some step where you would have to paste an identifier code from your third-party marketing application, depending on what app it is. So that concludes the first method. Now, you're well versed at making these connections through settings. But that's not the only way. On to method number 2. This time, you're not using settings. Instead, you're using the Wix App Market. To begin, you'll need to pull up your site editor. Once you're there, have a look at the left side menu. Your mission here is to find the option that reads Add Apps. When you find it, please don't hesitate to click on it. From there, you'll be taken to an area where you can search for the specific marketing app you want to install on your website. Now, remember when you found and clicked Connect for the app in the first method, you'll do something similar here. Upon locating the app, simply click on it. And the final stop in this second journey involves clicking Add to Site. Then, you'll be kindly greeted by various setup prompts. Depending on the application, you'll be asked to customize and integrate the app as per your preference. And with that, your third-party marketing app and Wix site have now been successfully linked. Well, there you have it. 2 distinct methods for connecting third-party marketing apps to your Wix website. Remember, although these steps are easy to follow, knowing when and how to use them is even more crucial. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and your website will soon be enriched with the power and functionality of your favorite marketing apps.